Okay, Patty the plant. Patty at 1 month, you can see she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. At 2 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. 3 months, 7 leaves. 4 months, 8 leaves. How many leaves do you think there's going to be at 5 months? Yeah, 9. And how about 6 months? Yeah, 10. Okay, so when we look at this, write an equation. Okay, again, you can do your little template, y equals something x plus something else. All right, so this first something is what do we change? What are we changing each time here? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So that goes there, 1x. And then the 0 number. So if I go back to 0 up here, right, what would I have to go back to? So 0 months, what would I go back to here in order so that when I add 1, I get 5? Yeah, 4. So my 0 number would be 4, because if I add 1, I get 5. So the 0 number is 4. So y equals x plus 4. Okay, I went ahead to the next couple slides, but you need to pause here and go back and do the U-tries after the Patty the plant problem, okay? And then pause it, do those, and then come back to start these. Now, when you have just a table, instead of looking at a whole pattern like we had done before, you have just a table, we're going to do the same thing. Y equals something times x plus something else, okay? Now, remember what's here is the change in y, okay? And over here is your 0 number, or again, what is x, or what is y when x equals 0? Okay, so in looking at this first one, when we go up, we add how many each time? Yeah, 2. We add 2 each time. So that's going to be our change, okay? And then our 0 number, when x equals 0, what is y? Y equals 4. So our equation, y equals 2x plus 4. Okay, now for the second one, there's something a little different about this one. If you notice the input, it goes 1, 3, 5, 7. Well, we need to fill that in. If that's 2, 4, and 6 in between, what are these numbers in between? Well, if I go from 4 to 0, halfway in between would be 2. All right, 0 to negative 4, halfway in between there would be negative 2. And then negative 4 to negative 8, halfway in between would be negative 6. Now I can figure out, okay, what is happening each time? What is my change? Well, from 4 to 2, I go down 2. From 2 to 0, I go down 2, so that's a negative 2. 0 to negative 2, again down 2. So when I look at my change, okay, that's a negative 2. And then my 0 number. All right, now, if I have to go down 2 and that number is 4, what would this number have been? So that when I minus 2, I get 4. Yeah, 6, because 6 minus 2 gives me 4. So it's going to be negative 2x plus 6. So y equals negative 2x plus 6. That's the second one. Okay, that's it for this video. You've got these U-tries. You've got the U-tries on the previous page. And is there another video? Yes, one more video after this.